by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Thursday to get zesty popping and give you some breaking news. So if you guys are ready for the zest and the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. And boy, are there things going on here. I'm so excited to break it down. So many things. Oh boy, oh boy. But before I get into the things, because we have so many of those things, you guys need to check out our two amazing sponsors of the show, both Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description. Use code ZESTY for 15% off the MC. And I am so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I love Market Cipher like with my whole heart. I really do. I love Cake Wallet with my whole heart. Cake Wallet's the best. Market Cipher is the best and only the best on this show. And I want to make sure we give love to the best zesty fam ever. So I'm going to say good morning to everybody in the chat. Let's get after it. Who's on TikTok? Did I miss anyone on TikTok? Tiki-taki. Oh, hello, Michael. He said he misses me. Much love to you, my friend. Oh my God. Chachi. Is this the Chacho? Joe Harvey, you look marvelous. Oh, thank you, Joe. You're so cute. Club Crow, good morning. Ace is here. Adopted Goon, I didn't miss you. I see you. Bry Guy, hello. Nice to see you. Yes, there are a lot of spam accounts of me on every single social media platform, including TikTok. They're running rampant. So please make sure you guys are blocking them. If you want to verify any of my social media accounts, one, you're seeing me right now. And two, you could go to randihipper.com or missteencrypto.com, and all of my official links are there. So you can always check. Yay! Okay, let's say good morning to everyone on YouTube and X now. All right, let's do this. We got All Set, Black Hat, Billy Goat Tails. Nice to see y'all. I know Tony's in here too. We got Ben Spada. We got Curtis. Nice to see you. Oh, Automatic Beats. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, Golden. Oh boy, Golden just gave away 50 membershiperies. Thank you, Golden, so freaking much. You're the best. I appreciate you more than you know, especially because I am working on getting the internet. No one showed up yesterday, guys. It's gonna get fixed though. So Golden gifted himself. He's so freaking funny, dude. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. That's a lot of love, guys. Please make sure if you guys received a membership where you do put those rain emojis. Give me an Emma emoji. Give it to us right now. We also, who else? We have Alexandra G. My girl is in the chat. I love Alexandra G. Also Golden's other account. So there's Golden and Golden Squared in the chat. Squeaky McGee, nice to see you. All Set. Mark Smithson, nice. Who else? Sola Hefe, Galaxy 9 is in the chat. OG Backroad. Oh boy. True. Gary on multiple platforms. Crypto Farmer. Jim Montgomery, good morning to my fam over there. Cheeks, happy Thursday to you, my friend. Global is in the chat. Good morning to you. Good morning. Wow, the chat is flying right now. I cannot even keep track of what's going on here. Holy freaking poop. Oh my gosh, I'm shook. I am shook. Thank you so much. Who is this? That's Andy S. Oh boy. I can't even keep track of what's going on. Golden, a $5 super chat. He said Frankie has not gotten a new chair, but he fixed his current one, probably with duct tape. LOL. Dude, Golden, actually, you'll be proud of me. I don't even have a chair right now built, but I do have one in the living room, and I'm gonna build it. It's white and has like a blue little cushy on it, and I'm so excited to use it. It's like very comfy, you know. I saw it was on sale in Staples. I was like, whoa, it's meant to be. It was meant to be. By Cake Wallet, the easiest. Oh, technical difficulty. I'm sorry. I walked into Staples and I saw this chair. I was like, "Ooh, that's my chair now. That's my chair now." So I hope you're proud of me for getting a chair too. Hi, Crimson. Nice to see you. Sus is in the chat. Who else is in the chat? I think I lost track because of all the membershipry flying out here. But thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. If you do want a personal hello, then you could yell at me in the chat. It's no problem. I know Otto's here. John Legend, I think I said hello to already. But yeah, I appreciate everybody in the chat. Thank you guys all for being here. Did you trust? Thank you. Yes, it is. It is. I will say that right now. Also, guys, we have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. So please make sure you're smashing the like, sharing it out. Also, guys, we want to get to 16,850 subs. And I'm telling you right now, I want it to happen. Wait, what's, hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay. 16,850 subs. We're 8 away. So smash those likes and share. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. I'm just streaming so backwards right now. So I'm trying to get used to it. But guys, again, we're getting after it. There's a lot of stuff going on. Bitcoin really battling the 200-day SMA. Oh boy, what is going to happen there? We will find out. We'll find out eventually. It's going to be okay. I know it's going to be okay. I'm not worried. I'm not worried, and neither should you. And I know they're trying to worry everybody right now because yesterday there was more news, and not even yesterday. This was actually like going into this morning where the German government, of course, everyone's talking about the German government. Oh my gosh, the German government Bitcoin. They're selling their Bitcoin. We should all lose our noodles now. Calm down, guys. It's okay. The German government apparently received back $141 million in Bitcoin, but then continued to do some more transferring. I don't even understand what's going on here, but we're going to break it down together. Here's one of the pieces of news from in the middle of the night, which was that they received that $141 million in Bitcoin back from exchanges that included Kraken. We see here that they received 903 Bitcoin worth 52 milli from Kraken and inflows of 1,500 Bitcoin, approximately 88 million from addresses currently unlabeled by Arkham Intelligence. The German government also received 10 Bitcoin worth 575K from Bitstamp. This is a wallet controlled by the German authorities, and it follows a large outflow to exchanges yesterday, and they transferred more than 10,853 Bitcoin. Bam. Also, following up from there, later in the middle of the night, which I guess for us is the middle of the night, not for them, literally not even 2 hours later, they continued their Bitcoin transfers and now they hold less than 10,000 Bitcoin. Right on schedule, a wallet controlled by a German government authority has transferred more Bitcoin to centralized exchanges, Bitstamp, Kraken, Coinbase, among other entities. Now, again, really weird that Bitcoin's being moved back and forth. I don't really know how that works and why it's doing that, but you could see the kind of timestamps breaking down here. They moved 250 Bitcoin here, 375 there, another 375. And again, these are to Bitstamp, Kraken, Coinbase. And it was totaling 1,100 Bitcoin, which was approximately 65 million, and then another 1,000 to a wallet identified as belonging to B2C2 Group. Additionally, it moved 250 Bitcoin to a presumed OTC service institutional deposit address at the time. In a later transaction, they also sent nearly $8.9 million of Bitcoin to crypto market maker Cumberland DRW, followed by another 100 Bitcoin an hour later. They also sent 1,500 Bitcoin to B2C2. Now, this is absolutely wild. In total, after all of this craziness, they transferred out 5,627 Bitcoin, which was worth, as of writing, $328.9 million. They still hold around 9,925 Bitcoin that is valued at around $584 million. So sus, man. So sus. But apparently, this all correlates to the 50,000 Bitcoin that they confiscated from a defunct website called Movie 2K, which obviously they did not like. Now, Bitcoin is again struggling just a little bit, but is trying to make her way downtown, walking fast faces past. She's homebound and trying to battle this 200-day SMA that's sitting at $58,974. Everyone's saying, oh, the German government, oh, the creditors from Gemini getting crypto back, which wasn't even a lot. And then you have Mount Gox. Dude, none of it matters. And I'm sorry. People might get upset when I say that, but none of it matters. Because if these governments are holding Bitcoin, how does it really affect us? It doesn't. It's again psychological warfare where they're selling their Bitcoin or they're sending Bitcoin everywhere. They're getting Bitcoin back. For what? It's if they liquidate their Bitcoin, you know what? Good for us because that's more Bitcoin on the market for the rest of us to play with versus what we got to deal with them where, oh, maybe they're holding it and they'll dump it at any time. Let them wipe it out. So that way we could just eliminate the whole problem to begin with. I don't think it's a bad thing at all. If governments want to hold Bitcoin, fine. If they don't, then don't. It's the same thing with the US. Nobody cared if the US was holding Bitcoin. And if they sold it, there were headlines, but no one really cared. So, oh, also thank you, Golden, for your $5 super chat talking about Frankie's chair. I don't know if you are able to like hear it or not. I really don't know. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're the best. I wasn't able to hear it. Were you guys able to hear the super chat? Put a yes or no, let me know. But I just know that this isn't the usual way I stream, and I'm trying my best out here, fam. I'm trying my best. Um, but yeah, the internet is still a problem. We're working on it. Yay, yay, yay. We're past the German government FUD. It's all FUD, psychological warfare. I'm not feeding into it. I'm not. I refuse to. I refuse to. Give us the Bitcoin back. And then and then BlackRock is gonna go buy it. Especially if they're doing some OTC stuff. Yeah, these institutions are gonna buy that right up. Yeah, so you couldn't, yeah, there was no sound with the super chat. See, I know, and I'm sorry. Hopefully that's fixed soon. The interwebs, Golden. But uh someone said they thought they were watching a news broadcast at first. Thank you. Who is this? I gotta see the name. Jix. Hello, Jix. Hi, Bandgain. Bandgain is sharing this live like a crazy person, and I appreciate the energy from you, Bandgain. Bandgain is always here for me on TikTok. Always here for me. Always here for me. Guys, smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. I don't know what's going on with the likes. I haven't been looking, but I just know I have faith in every single one of you to smash these likes, share it out with friends, give us love and zest and courage to continue on our path in life. That's what's going on right now. That's what's going on. So many membershiperies. I love membershipery. I love seeing all the love in the chat. I love seeing all the love in the chat. All right, let's continue. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. We have, I'm scared of TikTok flagging me because they did this yesterday. I wasn't even talking about it. But we have something coming up in the month of November. And it includes this man, Orange Man. Orange Man, even though he doesn't look orange nowadays, I feel like he's looking pretty normal tone. He doesn't look that orange. Do you guys still think he looks orange? Put a one or a yes emoji or a two or a no emoji. Is he still orange? I feel like he's really figured out this tan thing over the past like over I would say since 2016 he's been working on it. You could tell there are different shades, of orange, but he is set, Sir Donnie Don, to speak at the Bitcoin conference in Nashville. Apparently he is going to have a 30-minute time slot. I think they have like a little release here about it. They said Donnie T has officially announced himself, or they announced him as a speaker for Bitcoin 2024 that is taking place in Nashville from July 25th to the 27th, and it marks a significant milestone for the event, obviously. And they've had high profile guests in the past like Nayib Bukele, RFK, and multiple others. Now, a lot of people are shook by this information, and the tea goes that if you wanted to go to Bitcoin conference and see him speak, only one stage is going to have him physically, obviously. And it is reserved for whale passes. And I don't know if you know how expensive a whale pass is, but it is $11,000. And apparently, there's going to be an express line for the industry pass that's $2,600. I'm just going to leave that there. I'll leave that there. What my thoughts are on the pricing. But that is that is what the tea is. So if you guys are a whale and you want to go see it, then you could. Otherwise, then you might have some trouble. They will have it on like a screen broadcasted throughout the entire conference and such. And such. Yeah, $11,000 for a ticket is a little bit unhinged. That's a little bit wild to me. But don't worry, you can finance it. Oh my gosh. But if you guys are busy or not busy, I should say, if you guys are not busy with the day or two following up to Bitcoin conference and you're gonna be in the Nashville area, it's going fast. It's hot, hot, hot. And what am I talking about? Tickets to Litecoin Summit that will be from the 24th to the 25th in Nashville. And I'll let y'all know right now, I will be there on the 24th closing out that darn thing. And I'm so excited to do that. So please come hang out with me. Please come see me. Please come give me a hug or something. And we're going to hang out. We're going to have a good time. We're family. And I can't wait to meet a lot of my family IRL. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful. And I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. So pumped. Are you guys gonna be there? Are you guys gonna be at Litecoin Summit? I need Litecoin emojis in the chat. I need Litecoin emojis in the chat. Golden said, I remember the first Bitcoin conference whale pass being less than $1,000. LOL, that is hilarious. I mean, it is insane. I think whatever. I'm not gonna get too crazy, but $11,000 steep, and I don't know who can really afford that. But I guess people are gonna pay it. But that it is what it is. I wish I had my soundboard. I would be playing that sound. But yeah, it's gonna be such a good time. So come see me at Litecoin Summit, and it's gonna be a really good time. Only $84 a ticket for a beautiful conference with like just well-rounded individuals. Oh, hello, user. I missed you too, fam. Oh, Rocco. Hello, Rocco. Pop over on YouTube. Mushroom said he's going all 3 days. Go off, Mushroom. Are you coming to Litecoin Summit? Are you coming to Litecoin Summit? All right. Boo doo doo doo. Boo doo doo doo. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Mama Shell. Yeah, Mama Shell. I agree. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Litecoin needs to move up. I agree. I agree. Market Cipher in the chat said they'll be there. Oh, hello, Market Cipher. Hello, Market Cipher. I'll be hanging out with the Market Cipher fam even pre Litecoin Summit. So I'm very excited about that. Very pumped. Very pumped. But yeah, Market Cipher is the best. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. A sound check. Baby, it's a sound check. Oh, look, Rocco's here. Hello, Market Cipher. Are you feeling zesty this morning, Market Cipher? Tell me. Tell me now. Oh, freaking boy. Geo's in the chat. Can you guess which answer I chose on the poll? Geo, you know what? I can't with you. You are unhinged. You are unhinged, Geo. Gary says we need TMZ to run a stage at Bitcoin conference. Look at Doge t-shirt shouting to the moon. Dude, he should do that with whatchamacallit. He should do that with MC. It would be hilarious. No way the hat. Yes, I brought this on the plane with me, Market Cipher. I brought it on the plane. I wasn't messing around with this. Okay. And of course, Geo has to be jealous of my hat. Don't give him one. Don't give him one. All right, guys, we're moving on too because that was a really good topic. You guys got fired up on that one. This one is gonna get y'all fired up too. Oh, the CFTC chair reiterated that Bitcoin and ETH are commodities in a testimony, but also I do not trust the SEC, nor do I trust the CFTC. And everybody's like, oh, the SEC sucks. Let's get the CFTC in charge. Guys, it's like picking the better of the two evils or the lesser of the two evils. No one's good for crypto. None of them are literally saying that, oh, if we're in control of crypto, we're going to let it prosper in the country. None of them are saying that. So let's stop rooting for the SEC. Let's stop rooting for the CFTC to take the SEC's place. It's the lesser of the two evils. Maybe. We don't even know that for sure. The CFTC is probably like playing all nice right now. So that way they come in and when they finally get power, they go and slam on us and dunk on us, bro. I don't trust them. I do not trust them. They need to come out and say, the CFTC chair, that we want crypto to prosper in the country. They're not saying that. What are they saying? We need to protect investors. Since when do we need anybody in their position to protect us? When you hear that, you run. The CFTC chair and chief has again argued that Bitcoin and ETH, the two largest cryptocurrencies, are commodities, and his agency should be given oversight for it. Speaking on July 9th before the Senate Committee on Agriculture, Nutrition, Forestry, CFTC, the chair, Ralston Benham, argued in a recent court ruling in Illinois that Bitcoin and ETH are commodities, and it was part of a Ponzi case. And he even tweeted, "Today I testified on digital commodity assets in front of the Senate Agriculture Committee." And you can see his remarks. He also said that Olympus and Kilma Dow are also commodities, which are really random, if you ask me. In its decision, the court reaffirmed that both Bitcoin and Ether are commodities under the Commodity Exchange Act. Now, also scrolling down here, you see that he says the CFTC is ready to enforce crypto rules, and he outlined 5 key legislative priorities he believed his agency could introduce to better regulate digital commodities. He ruled to meet the unique risk profile of cryptocurrencies, a permanent fee-for-service funding model, requiring registrants to adhere to a comprehensive disclosure regime regarding their crypto assets, as well as bolstering those KYC and AML privileges for the CFTC. And then he argued the committee to consider a disciplined, balanced framework for whether or not tokens are commodities or securities under the existing laws. Excuse me, sir, CFTC. Where are the laws? They are not existent. So you're telling me, oh yeah, the SEC, you guys aren't doing your job, and we will, except that no one could do any job because there are no rules to follow. There are no laws out there. So what are we even talking about at this point? And then they also wanted to introduce a comprehensive education and outreach program for crypto assets in the United States. Hello, sir. Why don't we teach the kids how to use blockchain, how to develop on blockchain? That's what we need to do in this country. But instead, we're so behind. He then says, I am confident, speaking about the SEC, that the two agencies will continue to work closely, ensuring a reliable, fair, and efficient system for listing and trading of digital assets on regulated exchanges. I would like to hear actual words instead of surface level fluff. Where is what the framework would look like? A disciplined, balanced framework. Why not give us a little bit of an example of that? But instead, they can't because they just talk smack. And they want people to be like, yay, CFTC, boo SEC. Yes, boo the SEC to the 1000th degree, but the CFTC isn't going to be any different. It's not going to be a difference. Sorry. It's the way it is. It's just the lesser of the two evils. And that's not even confirmed because we don't really know, sir, CFTC. We don't really know him. We don't really know what his intentions are. It's like in a relationship. You got to know what their intentions are. Are they here to be serious, or are they here to mess around and try to mess up your life? Are they here to mess around and find out? These are the questions you ask in a relationship. That's what you should ask the CFTC and the SEC. I know Gary Gensler, that little huckster, he knows exactly what relationships are like because he watches a lot of rom-coms on Netflix. And not with a little kitty at his side because apparently he's allergic. Something we learned during a court hearing. Thanks, Gary. Everyone, put a little Gary emoji. You guys know I'm losing my noodle. I see noodle emojis flying out here. I need Garys. Give me the Gary, Gary, Gary. Now, I'm demanding. I feel a little bit demanding today. I feel a little bossy. I feel a little bossy. I'm demanding Garys in the chat. Give me Garys. Give me Garys. I think it's the Market Cipher hat that's just radiating zest into my brain right now. I think it's Market Cipher. Market Cipher, can you confirm that in the chat? Can you confirm that in the chat? Are you radiating zest into my brain right now? I need you to confirm, or else I just can't even continue. Like I can't do anything. I can't do anything. Also, smash these likes, share it out. This is what the stream is about, is love and stuff. Aw, Gain is the #1 gifter, he says. That's because you're the #1 zest. You are zesting on TikTok. Always zesting for me on TikTok, and I appreciate it. Oh, Market Cipher just LOLing. You can't LOL. This is not a laughing matter, Market Cipher. You need to tell me if you're radiating zest into my brain right now. Geo's in the chat at everyone now. Just can't. See, look, here's your spotlight right there, Geo. Don't worry. Don't worry. Ugh. All right. Also, guys, we're 7 more subscribers away from our goal. I don't know. I like to hit goals. I like to like prosper in life. And I hope that we can do that here. Before I get into the next news story, I do want to do a little bit of a promo. Right here, I'll be hosting the Lizard Lookout again today, as always, as I do on the weekly basis, except that my beautiful co-host, Meta Mona, is not going to be here with me. And I'm so sad. I miss her so much. I just freaking love Mona. And she's at ETCC, though. She's international right now. Hours are different, but we will excuse her for this week. But I miss her so much. So be here for me Thursday, today, 2 p.m. Eastern, every week Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. UTC. No matter where you are in the world, if you click this link to go to the tweet and you like and comment and retweet, because that's what y'all want to do to share it out with your community and things, it'll tell you what the time is in your time zone. So you don't have to do any maths or anything like that. Oh gosh, Cray with the $4.99. He says a little bossy or little and bossy. Oh, wow. 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 That's the way it is. Golden squared. I'm talking about TikTok. He said it says on TikTok who the #1 gifter is on that platform. So you're the #1 on this platform for sure. He goes, oh really? Oh really? Golden's getting spicy. Golden squared. And it's golden squared, so it's like double the spice. Is Liz Warren in a toxic relationship with Gary? I don't know, man. It seems like they have a nice little relationship going. I don't really know. They're both backed by the banks anyway, so that they do share. But speaking of this country and it just being old and coming after everybody and obviously there's like this old case ish for BitMEX, the exchange that expects no further fines for old AML violations in the United States. Obviously, BitMEX got absolutely crushed in the United States because they were sought after by the DOJ. The derivatives exchange BitMEX dismissed its violation of the Bank Secrecy Act in the US as old news from 2020. The company announced plans to request an expedited sentencing hearing, indicating that no additional charges would be pursued. On July 10th, attorney Damian Williams announced BitMEX's admission to offer crypto trading services without any meaningful AML program. In response, they claimed that its founders, Arthur Hayes and Benjamin Dalo, had already pled guilty to the violation and paid off the fines in 2022. At the time, they admitted the founders to willfully failing to establish, implement, and maintain an AML program at their derivatives exchange, and it resulted in the implementation of verification systems to protect people in the United States. They have accepted the BSA charge. They want an expedited ruling, and they said that they want no further fine imposed, which, oh, this is such old news. They bring things up again when Bitcoin is not where people want it to be. Even though, guys, don't be greedy. Bitcoin's still up 91% in the past year. Now, obviously, people are speculating. JP Morgan always likes to speculate on what we're doing in the space. They're saying that a crypto market rebound is expected in August. There are other people saying that we're due for a Bitcoin bull market reset. Oh boy. Oh boy. Now, JP Morgan is out here talking about the bank reduced its year-to-date crypto net flow estimate to 8 billion from 12 billion. Oh, JP Morgan, they just like to FUD all the time. It's like they lightly FUD. They're like, oh, it's, things aren't terrible, but they're not as much as they should be, you know? And usually when they do that, when JP Morgan puts out these things, Bitcoin always seems to do well after, typically. But no one knows what Bitcoin's going to do. We don't know. She's unhinged. She is a teenager discovering herself. That is Bitcoin. She's discovering herself. She's a teen. There's nothing else she can do but be herself. Now, we do have the market recap here. A lot of green going on. A lot of green. Green. I love green. I love green. $57,819 Bitcoins this morning, up 0.14%. We were looking for that curvature on that money flow to bring us up to neutral, but I say. Honestly, the momentum is not giving me the best of the zest, but man, I want it to rip. And the VWAP is flat. The RSI is black, choppy, bearish. We want a nice move. Geo says he knows what it's going to do. Geo, can you tell us right now? Tell us right now. I want you to give your market cipher expertise. And if you don't, then Market Cipher is in the chat looking at you. You have pressure now. Guys, Bitcoin 56K seems to be holding that level, battling the 200-day SMA bullishly. We want to hit that golden zone of 60K. That's what I want. And I also want Geo to tell me where Bitcoin's going because he knows. He has a crystal ball. I don't know if you heard, but he does. And Ethereum is $3,146, up 1.5%, looking snazzy. Love it. Momentum is killing it. I feel like the momentum is doing pretty good. Money flow coming in, VWAP coming in, going up. Nice. And I think maybe the RSI could pick up that momentum. I'm like kind of thinking here because we shot right out of that oversold and I like that. But my thing is, when typically you shoot out of oversold, you typically do come back with a little bit of a vengeance. So I don't know if we're going to come back down and boost ourselves back up here. I'm a little curious about that. Market Cipher is going to 100K. If you say so, if Market Cipher says so, I believe them. I have no other choice but to do that. And it seems like we are kind of trying to tap upon this level of 3230. I don't know. Geo, he said, should I hop in? Yes, I'm sending you a Zoom link. Actually, yes, that's what is better? How can I do this? Hold on. We'll figure it out. Get in here. Get in here. Hold on. I'm gonna send you a little linky. Link, Discord. Okay. Where is he? Where's Geo? See, guys, I'm DMing Geo right now. He says I don't DM him, but now I just did. Okay. Geo, I'll wait for you to jump in. And if you don't, then you're in trouble. So that's the way it's going to be. But 3230 obviously is what we're looking at here with Ethereum. I want to battle. I want to smash the 200-day SMA. Bearish level to watch is at 2770. I don't want to even talk about it anymore. I don't even want to talk about the bearish. I don't. But honestly, it's my job and I have no choice. Now, Litecoin, 68 bucks, 33 cents. 2% in the green. It seems like we're having a nice time floating from that 63 bucks on and upwards. Hold up. Oh, there he is. There he is. Where are you, Geo? I don't know. I feel like Zoom makes me look so bad. Geo, hi. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't know if they could hear you. Hold on. I got to figure that out, actually. Wow, this is I didn't think that through because I'm not streaming the regular way I stream. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is okay. I got this. Hold on. Go speak. Are you good? Oh, I can't hear you. You're on mute. Oh wait. Try again. No, I still got nothing. Hold on. Test one more time. Yay, I got it. Okay, good. Yeah. Yeah, I could. You should on YouTube, but not on this. I'm doing good. I want you to show us some chartery and tell me where Bitcoin's going. Give me financial advice, please. Yeah, I do. Screen share right now. Go for it. I mean, you're just a wannabe singer, so what am I going to do? Okay. All right, I got to get the link to your YouTube channel because I'm going to share it out. I feel like Wait, they don't hear you? Why don't they hear you? That's annoying. Hold on. Why? Freaking why? Okay. So it says to share audio. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, I got it though. Is it good? Do they hear you now? Probably not. Entire screen. Oh, I got it. Yay. Okay. We're good.
Are we good? Are we good?
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. I'm not streaming the way I usually do, and it's messing me up big time.
All good. How was the move?
Overall, the move was pretty good. My boxes arrived, except my monitors came in completely smashed. And then I had to get new ones. I had to get a desk. And now my internet doesn't work. So that's why I'm streaming the way I'm doing it off my browser. And it's like not easy, but good.
But your stream is good. Like I mean, it's not off your phone like it was a couple days ago or yesterday.
Yeah, I knew that. See, you're scaring me. My dad came in. He was like, "We don't hear him." I was like, "Yes, they do. Don't lie to me." Okay.
Can they hear me or no? Oh, I have this like globe thing in the background. Okay, cool. So we're good. We're chilling. You guys, you can see my screen and we're good.
Yeah. Yeah. Go for it. Spill the beans.
Okay. First of all, you should know better than to bring me on your stream. I'm a loose cannon, but anyways, I'll behave. I promise.
You better.
I will. I will. Okay. So here's what I'm seeing. Here's what I'm seeing. Okay. And I posted this on my channel. I've been talking about this for a very long time. Let's be objective here, okay? Let's not, just moon boy. But we're in a downtrend. We've been in a downtrend for quite some time. Okay, we know that, right? And right now, although we have liquidity quite a bit of liquidity built above us. See all that? All
Mm-hmm.
that fun liquidity that we can come and grab. We, in my opinion, have unfinished business at the lows. We don't have, or we have quite a bit of liquidity beneath us. Since we put in this low down here, we have just kind of been slowly creeping up. So if we're taking our structure, you're kind of just doing this. But whenever you do this in a macro downtrend, people like to call it a bear flag. I do not trade flags and patterns and stuff. But if you wanted to get, a little bit retail about it, we are currently forming a bear flag. And when we don't come down and tap this low, it's a little bit unfinished business. So what I'm thinking right now is we're actually going to roll over. I don't think that it's as bullish as people are expecting it to be, and I don't think it's as bullish as people think it is. And that's indicative right now of this swing failure pattern. For those who don't know what that means, that is a liquidity grab, which is where your price will, fake out a high, stop out everybody that was short over the past however long this was, give or take day and a half, right? Stop out everybody that was short here. That's exactly what they did. The technical target of that SFP is this low. So depending on what happens when we come down to 57K, if we make it down to 57K, depending on what happens here, will basically determine whether or not we're going to continue the rollover. If we get a candle close, let's say a 4-hour candle close, and that's me being generous, but let's just say a 4-hour candle close below this low at 57K. If you get that, I mean, I'm fairly confident we're coming down to at least this low, but probably this low down here. But it's actually not the worst thing because we have very strong support just beneath the low that we put in. We actually front ran our strong support at 53. So we have pretty good support between 50 and 52K. So I am expecting price to essentially roll over there. It can come higher, but when we're looking at market Cipher, I mean, look at this. Look at this money flow, Randy. Am I crazy to think look at this money flow, Randy?
The money flow isn't great, but I feel like we have some room to go in the negative with the money flow, but at the same time, I feel like a lot of the selling pressure is relieved on Bitcoin.
I think that we are absolutely starting to get we have a bullish divergence on the daily time frame. So we definitely have room for a bounce, right? We've been basically down only for, well, down only, not enough down in my opinion, but down only for a month now. And so, yeah, you could assume, we can get some relief. But it doesn't mean it has to happen in this very moment right now. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. The money flow is kind of scary.
Do you think that we could just have a massive rip out of nowhere to the upside? Because I feel like Bitcoin's due for that a little bit.
I think that it's possible, but it's not there's no, in my opinion, there's no reason to get macro bullish until we get above and close above around 64K. That's what I think. That's what I think. Because, if at the end of the day, structure is king, right? So you have down, you have up, you have down. You need to break above here to flip back to macro bullish. And until that happens, there's no reason for us to think 100K or 200K or whatever. Because at the end of the day, this is my opinion, guys. Sorry for if you hate it. This is just my opinion. But you can't talk about, in my opinion, 100K, 200K, 300K. We need to talk about 60K first. Let's get to 60 and then we'll talk about 65. That's how I trade though. I'm a scalper. I'm not an investor. I'm a trader. So giving you guys perspective of the people in the chat, that's kind of how I'm thinking. But the 18-hour looks ugly. The 12-hour looks ugly. And, the next red dot that happens on the 12-hour time frame, there's no doubt in my mind that we're going to come back and take this low. As of right now, with the data that's presented to me right now, there's no doubt in my mind. What is this lake house? Is this where you live?
Well, oh no, that's my background. That was an accident.
Oh, okay. So did you actually ever tell the people where you moved to, or is it just me that you're hiding it from? Because I don't know.
I haven't officially announced it. No.
Okay. Are you?
But people do know, and I've gotten doxxed a few times already.
Do you ever get noticed in public?
I haven't yet in where I'm at, but in New York, yeah, for sure.
You have in New York. Well, yeah, you
Oh
were
yeah,
like,
yeah. Like there were people that like, would watch my stream and then they would see me on the street and they were like, "Oh, like you're Randy," and like whatever. So like it's happened a lot, yeah, especially in my
that's
neighborhood.
that's
And
pretty cool. You're a celebrity.
not really, not really. I
So
wouldn't.
now I'm famous by association because I'm on your stream and I know you and you're a celebrity. So now I'm famous by association.
That's so nice of you, Gio. Why are you being so nice to me today? You're being so nice to me today.
I'm you think I'm like this villain. I'm always so nice.
I don't know. I don't know because you blamed me for getting bad food in New York when it wasn't my fault.
That was 100% your fault. And you, by the way,
Absolutely
now that
not.
now that we're on voice, I can defend myself. You keep saying that, like, why would I hit you up if, anyways, you think that I didn't hit you up or you think I just said, oh, I need to go get a bagel? No, I never said that. I hit you up and I'm like, hey, I'm in your city. Why would I say, hey, I'm in your city if,
But like,
like, it
hey,
was,
I'm in your city does not mean anything else but what you
yeah,
said.
it's, hey, I'm in your city. Like, what's up?
Yeah, that you didn't say the what's up part. I think you
Yeah,
should
hey,
have
I'm
added
in your
that.
city. And I went to Brooklyn on top of that,
Yeah, and
which
I
I will
don't know
never go to
where
again.
you went. You were in God knows where.
Yeah, no, I was in, and then I went downtown, and then I had the street meet, and it was horrible, and I got sick.
Emma
And for
goes,
the
Gio.
record, what you say?
Gio is the Kim K to your Paris Hilton.
Oh, are they like what are they enemies or are they
They're
friends? I don't
best
even know
friends.
their relationship.
Best friends.
Are we best friends, Emma?
I don't know. That was a confusing comment.
I know because Randy's out here saying that I'm rude to her and I'm mean, and today I'm being so nice.
I mean
Gio has
that's
no
today.
riz. I do have no riz, Emma. I've never talked to a girl before. I'm very nervous.
So I just can't. So what do you think about Bitcoin dominance? Do you have an opinion on that?
Yeah, let's talk about dominance. So right now, dominance is kind of rolling over. This is what I think might happen. Okay. I've had this drawn out for quite some time. I've talked about it on my channel many times, but I think that an altcoin season is potentially around the corner. But so okay, I have this rule when it comes to market cipher, which is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Don't know if you've heard me say that before,
No,
but
this is new information.
the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, essentially. Which is why, just to go back to Bitcoin real quick, when we're on the 12-hour time frame, I'm thinking, okay, we might get another divergence because we have very thick money flow here, right? Just like up here, right? We had very thick money flow. Look at all the divergences we had. The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. You will typically get those divs. Look at here. You have very thick money flow, divergence after divergence after divergence until we finally got that last one, right? So with dominance, I'm thinking it's kind of the same thing. And if you come onto the 3-day time frame, we still have relatively thick money flow. We've been getting divergences, absolutely. But I do think that we could get one more last push up. And it's kind of interesting because Bitcoin at this point, obviously, is either going to go up or down. And the reason I had drawn this line and I wrote all-time high is because I think that if Bitcoin decides that it wants to rip up, which it could do, like I'm not saying it can't do it, absolutely can give us a rip to the highs. Okay. If it runs up like that, we know when it's time for Bitcoin to move, alts will take a back seat to it. We know this, especially when dominance is on the rise. So if dominance decides to run up and take one more high, if it does that, because the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. So if we get something like this, where you get one more divergence, this could be a topping point for your dominance. And it depends again on what happens with Bitcoin. So I see two scenarios in which if we're going to take the high one more time, I see two scenarios that plays out. Either Bitcoin dumps and dominance rises and it hits this level, or Bitcoin pumps and it hits this level. If it pumps, your alts will pump with it. If it pumps and it rolls over and Bitcoin, let's just say we see an all-time high on Bitcoin again, then you'll have an alt season. You'll have an altcoin season. At that point, I think your dominance will roll over. I think you'll probably break structure to the downside, and that is where you will have an altcoin season if it dumps. However, if dominance, if Bitcoin dumps, dominance is going to suck up all the liquidity. Like Bitcoin dominance is going to win. Alts are going to bleed bleed, bleed, bleed. And it's not like we haven't seen it before. We've seen in exactly where we are in the cycle, we've seen altcoins make new bear market lows from basically where we are now relative to whatever. So if Bitcoin decides to roll over and die while dominance pumps, alts are going to die. And then I think we need a little bit more time for altcoin season. But if Bitcoin pumps here and basically if this line gets hit at all-time high or while Bitcoin's pumping, we're good. If this line gets hit while Bitcoin is dumping, we are not good. And alts are going to bleed and it's not going to be pretty for anything or anybody.
You mean no one's meme coins are gonna go 1000x? Like that's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
I'm sorry. I'm Iggy Azalea. If you're in this stream right now, I'm very sorry to tell you, but mother is probably not going to work out for
I
you and
mean,
for your
listen, she's got her booty on the timeline to make sure it does.
I know. Something's got to pump it because I mean, they got to get someone to commit their liquidity somehow.
Yeah. I mean, listen, I mean, what we need just push-ups like FG in the chat. Nick, he goes, "Did someone say
Yeah.
push up?" Yeah, he did. He did. Any excuse to push up our life and our bodies, man.
I actually had a really good laugh with myself like a week ago or 2 weeks ago because Nick was talking. He posted like we man, look, we love Nick. I have nothing but good things to say about Nick. And Nick's been on this 100K push up 100K journey for so long now. And I saw this like big dump coming from like quite a while away. And so I got on Instagram and I was laughing. I was genuinely laughing so hard because I made this like song. I was like freestyling this song on my stream, and I was just like Bitcoin, like I was saying, I was like Bitcoin looks like poop, like whatever. I was just singing it, and then I was freestyling it, and I was like Nick's gonna be doing push-ups forever, and I started laughing so hard because he's doing it till 100K, and I'm like, yeah, man, I don't know. Nick's gonna be jacked by the time his challenge is over. That's my
I
whole.
mean, listen, Nick is killing it. He said 5 months. He said
Yeah,
5 months.
Nick is truly inspirational. I was telling people yesterday in my Discord, we were just live in the Discord, not on YouTube, and I was like, man, like Nick is a really inspirational dude. He's a really good person. Like he's a better person than I am. I'll tell you that.
No, he's really cool. He's really cool. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. And he's been really killing it. Like you could see the difference in like him mentally and everything, like from him starting the challenge, and like he looks like a lot more like, free flowing right now.
Yeah, I was telling, like he just goes to Miami and starts teaching people about Bitcoin, and he's like teaching kids about it and whatever. And then there's me that goes to Miami and doesn't do any of that. Does a complete 180 of that.
Yeah, no, he said day 150. That's the point. Yeah, he goes, that's the point. Obviously, I want to get jacked. No.
Day 150. There you go. So how many push-ups is that, Nick? 500 or what is it? 100 times 150. 1500?
Do it,
Is
Gio.
that
What is
right?
it?
15,000? Am I tweaking right
15,000.
now?
Yeah.
That's 15,000.
Wow.
15,000 push-ups. You're
That's
gonna
a lot.
have as many push-ups as Bitcoin's price by the time you hit 100K.
That's beautiful. I love that.
Well, that
Like,
would be like, how sick would that be?
so Gio, are you doing push-ups? Like, are you trying to
Oh,
do these endeavors?
I'm in the gym every single day. I joined the push-up challenge thingy with them, but to be honest, like I'm on my grind, I'm on my meal plan. I'm doing well right now, and so I couldn't keep up with the push-ups because I'm doing other things, but I'm
All
working
other
every day.
things.
No,
Okay.
like I'm in the gym every day. Like I can't do 100 push-ups after like yesterday was chest day. I can't do 100 push-ups today. Like my chest is
Oh yeah,
marked.
you're like super sore.
Yeah, I am. My body's broken. I feel like I got hit by a bus every day. That's how we do it, but it is what it is.
Yeah. My workout has been lifting boxes and putting together furniture.
I heard Emma is getting jacked there.
Oh no, Emma's like freaking wild right now.
Emma's
She's
got the gun show. I saw it yesterday. I saw the gun show. I was like, dang, Randy's gonna
he
get demonetized. She can't put that on the screen.
Gio does a full split, Nick said. And then
Full split.
he said he does do back and leg day too. Yeah, you can't forget about the leg day. We can't just focus on like you got to hit the legs too. You can't
Yeah,
forget about leg day.
I actually doubled up my leg days because I have really good upper body genetics. So
Oh,
I work it out all the same, but it's not proportioned. So I had to double up my leg day. Today's actually leg day, so you know.
the upper body genetics.
It
That's
actually
something
like
I haven't heard before. Upper body genetics.
I have specifically very good arm genetics. Like my arms are pretty big, but I'm not gonna give myself all the credit. Like I have very good genetics for it.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you got to give the love to the ancestors, you know?
But my legs don't have good genetics. That's why you guys never see my legs.
That's why you're
Because
always
I
on
don't
the
wear pants
treadmill.
half the time. Exactly.
Do you think you would want to like, sing and stuff for us today? Like, is there something you could sing for us?
Do you want me to sing? I'll tell
Yeah,
you this.
absolutely. Absolutely.
I'll tell you this. I will try, and I will tell you this. I apologize on behalf of everybody that unsubscribes to you after they hear my singing, but I'm a little bit sick right now, and I lost my
Oh,
voice. And I lost my voice last weekend. So
I
I'll
can't
do
even
it.
believe this. I can't
I'll
believe
do
this.
it, but I mean, the
Yeah.
disclaimer is there.
Yeah, yeah.
Disclaimer, guys. All
Go, go.
content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. What should we sing? I don't have my like logic up, so I can't hear myself, but I'll sing. What do you guys want me to sing? Guys, write in the chat what you want me to sing. I'm sorry, I'm taking over the chat.
Yes, yeah.
Those
Put it in the
legs look
chat.
like VWAP. What should we sing?
Alex. You could do New York, New York. You could do the what is that Ciao Bella one you
Start
like to do?
spreading the news. I'm leaving today. Wasn't that the one that I sang to you on my
Yeah.
stream? Have
Yes.
you ever had another crypto YouTuber sing for you on stream? I don't think you've
I
ever
could
had that.
confidently say no.
There you go. See? Emma, Gio got the Riz. Emma.
You got the Riz. I mean, yeah,
He's
I
got
guess
no Riz, Emma.
I mean I would join like Nick's streams, but he goes live way past my bedtime. And like, I would see if he would sing on there, but I don't know. Gio, what
Careless
do you
Whisper. Tonight the music feels so loud.
Yeah, go do it. Do it. I want that one.
Did I? Okay,
Yeah.
hold on. Hold on. Let me like get it up so I can hold on 1 second.
You gotta cheat with the lyrics.
I was listening to I Kissed the Girl literally right before we came on.
What a cute song.
Wait, if I play music on my Mac right now, would your stream hear it? Actually, I don't want to get you demonetized. Every single one of my streams gets demonetized because like music first.
Okay.
Kid, please don't sing. I know, man.
So
You're gonna
no,
lose
so
all
no
your
show
subscribers.
for us. Like
No,
what?
I'll give you the show. Hold on. Let me test. We're gonna test. Hold on. Am I still sharing my screen? I hope
Yeah.
not.
Oh no, not yet. Do it. You
Okay,
can
hold
do
on.
it.
Hold on. I'm gonna try something. 1 second. Tonight the music feels so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Baby, it's better this way. Shut up and sing. Oh, okay. Hold on. So I'm gonna mute here. Okay, I have my logic on now.
I can't hear you.
Okay, can you hear my like echo in the background or no?
No.
Okay, whatever. We're gonna have to just do it. Okay, what are we singing, boys and girls? What are we singing?
We had so many options just now. Careless
Guys,
Whisper, Ciao Bella.
I am very shy, man. I've never done this before. Kid, no more singing. Your singing is worse than my technical chart analysis. I know, man. I know.
Just pick something. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to.
Okay. Here, hold on. Let me get my lyrics. Tonight, the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd, baby. It's better this way. We'd hurt each other with the things we'd want to say. We could have been so good together. Something, dance forever. But no. A little something.
Oh,
I don't get nervous. I do not get nervous.
No, that was beautiful.
Don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me.
That was amazing. Guys, please put 100 emojis in the chat for Gio. That was absolutely spectacular. Emma goes, he needed to find his tune.
By the way, guys, in case you're wondering, I have no idea how to trade, so please don't listen to me. And I'm 5'2 3/4", and I'm a wannabe singer, so I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to trade. I don't know anything else. Ooh,
Someone
ooh,
said sing Lana Del Rey.
this is. I don't even know what is that one song? Summertime Sadness.
Sadness. I
I
got
got that
that right. Yeah,
summertime sadness. I got that summertime sadness.
that was
Michael
beautiful.
Jackson. Thank you.
No, that
Thank
was
you.
amazing. Can you moonwalk?
No,
Can you
no, I
dance, or
don't.
you can only sing?
I can dance, but it's not. I can't dance well, but I can dance.
So like what's your go-to move on the dance floor?
It's not yours, I'll tell you that. It's
Why?
definitely not.
Are you
It's definitely
saying
not
that?
this. Look, it's not this. It's not that.
So do you not like that or something? Do you have
No, it's not.
prejudice against my moves?
It's not that I don't like it. It's that that's just not my move. But you know what's funny is, at least this is my perspective, my interpretation of it. So I do weddings, okay? I DJ weddings and I MC whatever. And when I put on like, disco and whatever, they actually genuinely people do this. And you think like that's, I mean, this is my interpretation that it's like a cheesy move, but people genuinely do it. So maybe you're ahead.
Yeah, I mean, sheesh. I feel like to a degree, like I feel like I'm behind because I feel like it's from the past, like Saturday Night Fever type, like do 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 do
Yeah,
do
but
stainless.
you're not in that era. So yeah, maybe you're an old soul. I'm kind of an old soul like that. Like I like the old music and the old stuff. Maybe you're an old soul too.
Yeah, I think to a degree, yes. And everyone was like, "Oh, you should have been in like Woodstock times," and like I don't know if I'm that far, but like maybe.
I always say like I wish I was born in the 60s so that I was in
Yeah.
my 20s during the 80s.
Yeah, like I wish I was born in the 60s because the fashion was on point, like big, like, and in the 80s it was like big hair and stuff like that. Like I rock with that. And so many people like wore colors. I feel like nowadays nobody wears color.
Does your hair get bigger than it is right now?
This is not big. This is not that big.
Is this not big? Do you like, does your
No.
humidity like get you kind of, let's say 80s? Like, do you get all 80s with the humidity there?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely my hair is bigger than it was at in New York for sure. The
Okay.
humidity is great for my hair. I live for that, you know.
So are you gonna tell us where? Guys,
I'm
don't worry.
a,
I'm putting her on the spot.
you already know the state I'm in.
So you are in Florida.
I guess so, yeah.
Well, you said I know, and that was my only guess. Well, good choice.
Yeah. Yeah, no,
Better
I
than
love it. We could talk more like off stream and stuff like that.
okay,
But
okay. I tried, guys. I'm sorry. I tried. I tried.
Emma
Believe
goes,
me, nobody wants to know more than I do.
why does it impact you to this degree?
I
Is
don't
the
know.
curiosity killing you? Is it like a lot
I'm
of
just,
anticipation?
yeah, I'm just a nosy dude. I just like knowing everybody's business.
Yeah, are you Italian?
Am I? No, I'm not.
You're not?
No, did you think I was?
Well, Gio, yeah.
What do you think it was short for Giovanni?
Yeah,
Giovanni?
Giovanni, yeah.
Should I tell you my real name?
Yeah.
I'll tell you my real name if you tell me your real city.
I told you I could tell you that later.
Bahamas. Okay. What's my name? Guess my name.
I thought it was Giovanni or
It's
John or
not.
like something like that.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Ooh, Billy, a member for 12 months. He said, "Much love, you're the best." Much love to you, Billy. I was just on his spaces the other night. Shout out to the Giver Gain movement.
Thank you, Billy. I appreciate it.
Creighton goes, he spent an entire stream talking about humidity heat gators. We all know.
Yeah. Did you actually see a gator like in your backyard
Oh yeah,
pond,
yeah, yeah.
whatever, like
There's
right
multiple
there?
gators. There's multiple gators. There's like confirmed a mom and a baby gator, and what I think there's more because there's one that I saw that's like at least 8 feet long. They were saying.
Really?
So yeah, yeah, yeah.
Does
And
that scare you?
I saw one swimming this morning. No, not at all. Listen, if you don't bother them, they don't bother you. Like they're in their little ponds out here having a good time. Like, they're not hurting anybody.
Are you like a nature girl?
I've grown up in the city my whole life, so I don't know if I'm exactly like a nature gal, but like I do like something, and I have something right now. So like that's a lot more than I've ever had, you know?
Like, would you ever go swimming in that pond with
Oh
gators?
God, no. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. There's rattlesnakes in there. There's gators in there. I'm not swimming nowhere in that pond.
I would do
No.
it. I
Of
would do
course
it.
you would. Of course you would.
I would do it. You know what? Somebody in the comments got my name
They
correct.
they did. Hold
And
on. George?
yeah, that's my name. I
Really?
told you, an old soul. That's my name. And so
Wow.
since we're on the topic of gators and rattlesnakes, like George of the Jungle, what's up? Curious
George,
George that
yes,
wants to
he's a
know where
curious
Curious
George.
George that wants to know where you live. What's up?
Oh my gosh.
But no
Wow.
one heard my name because no one is supposed to know my name. So everybody that heard it, no, you didn't.
Wow. This is breaking news. Oh my
I know.
gosh.
I know. Don't tell TMZ. They're gonna be at my door again.
TMZ, yeah. Are you a fan of TMZ? You friends, you know?
I yeah. Well, they're fans of me actually. I'm not a fan of them.
Wow, that's hardcore.
I know. But I don't get called out in public or recognized in public like you do. Not yet. Maybe I need to double my sub count and I'll get there, but not
You're
yet.
I can't. Oh my gosh, Billy, a $50 super
the like
chat.
button for Randy.
He said flat smack
cookie,
that like button for Randy. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Billy. Much love to you. Thank you for your super chat and your love. I appreciate you guys very much. Hashtag givers gain. Hashtag the giver of gain. We love that. Thank you. Yeah, I think this is a very interesting day. Very interesting day.
In terms of like the price
It's
or in terms of the conversation?
I would say pretty much everything. I'm, just like a busy day today. I also, guys, as y'all are here, you're listening and enjoying the show and things. I will be live at 2 p.m. Eastern on X Spaces with Lizard Labs. We're going to be talking about like the market and stuff. And like, if this is really the bull market, is it all over? We got to find out. So please make sure you guys join that at 2 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you like, retweet, and comment Zesty, something on there to signify your love for the space. But yeah, I'm very excited about life and stuff like that. But very interesting day. I didn't know we were going to do this stream together. This is really like out of pocket for us.
I also didn't know we were gonna do it. And when I said should I hop in, I didn't think like before I wasn't even ready. Like I just said it. You know I just talk. Like I just talk.
No,
you
you
know?
don't. No, you don't. You don't just talk. You have intention.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But you know how I am. So I wasn't even ready. I was like, oh dang. They're like, yo, she answered you. People are like, get on. So, anyways. Yeah, no,
Wow.
I'm happy to be here. Thank you
Were
for
they
having me.
surprised I answered you?
You know what? It's kind of like I mean, yeah, I guess so. I guess so. But then you've been in the chat, so I don't know. Like, I
Guys,
don't know.
Golden gifting another 50 memberships. Holy sheesh. Thank you. Guys, give those Emma emojis in the chat. We need Emma emojis raining everywhere. Yay! Yay emojis. Woohoo!
Can we get a geo emoji now? Because I don't know how to do memberships. Even though shouts out to Dave Digital has been telling me for so long to do it and been trying to help me, but I don't have them and I don't know how to do it. So
The
I think that we should
audacity. The
I know.
audacity.
I think that we should get a geo emoji and then we just split the revenue. I think that's fair. Like that's perfect.
Blasphemy. If you guys want a geo emoji, put a yes emoji or two or no emoji in the chat. I will say that I could teach you how to do it.
Can you?
I mean, I can. I feel like I could do you a solid right now.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it after. I'm super down for it.
Yeah, I got you. So we could
All
take care of that.
Thank you.
Hold on. Do. What is going on with my stuff? I'm so out of whack right now, man. Like it's crazy.
Are you like settled in yet or like still no?
No, not really.
Hmm.
No, I could say that confidently. No.
Wow, they're giving ones. I'm kind of surprised. I didn't expect that.
they're putting ones in the chat. Hold on, I gotta look. People are crazy. I love this chat so much. The chat is everything to me.
Your chat is so nice. I wish my chat is cool too.
No,
But
you have a good chat.
Yeah, I have a great chat. I'm not even gonna lie.
Trade Fly, hello. He said, I'm great with supporting the community. Much love. Well, thank you. Shout out to Army Piper, Trade Fly, and OC from the academies rating in here today. I appreciate you guys very much. Sorry, I got lost in the sauce over here with Geo. Or George. Ooh, doxed.
No, we're not gonna say George. We're past that. But tonight,
Oh, we're past it. What about cheerleader?
Loud.
Can you sing cheerleader? It was a request.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. That one.
Yeah.
When I'm not sick and I have my voice, I will come back and sing it in falsetto because I can't hit that right now. I sound like a dying
Falsetto.
I sound like a dying 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singer, non-financial advisor.
Oh man, I guess you just gotta like dance it out for now.
Yeah, no, that's you. You got the dance moves. I got the singing.
So we
When
have
are we
one of
going
each.
golfing? We're going golfing when it stops raining, bro. Tell Trudeau to make it stop raining, and then we'll go. Alex.
Cloud seeding.
Yeah, exactly. Very good song.
Oh my gosh, you guys are fun. Brokoshi's in the chat thanking Golden for the memberships. Let's get it. Love that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this chat is absolutely amazing. Keep it nice and fresh, man. Keep it nice and fresh. Bitnuendo said, how come I never get a membership? Not fair. If you see in the chat when they drop the memberships or when Golden drops a membership, you just press the allow gift button. That's all you got to do. Or go in your settings on YouTube and you should press the allow gift button. You should be fine. Unless you have a branded account. If your account's branded, then I don't think you could get one. I think it's the way it works. I don't know. YouTube is so confusing. YouTube's confusing. YouTube's everywhere.
Yeah, YouTube is mad hard. Also, yeah, I know. I need auto-tune, bro. I need more than just auto-tune, believe me. I have many problems.
But like, don't you want to be like real and authentic?
Yeah. But I
wow,
mean,
faker.
Yeah, these guys telling me I need auto-tune and I'm agreeing. I need many things. I need height surgery.
You're selling yourself short. You're selling yourself short.
Wow, no pun intended. I need height surgery. I need technical analysis knowledge on the most foundational level, like the most basic level. I need auto tune. Like what else?
Maybe cowboy boots if you go to the South or go to Nashville for Litecoin conference. Market Cipher says we love you both. Thank you for all you do. Oh boy. Thank you.
Are you inviting me to Litecoin conference?
I can't count how many times I've told you to come. So don't even throw the FUD at me like that because
okay. Well, I told you this. If Nick, because I've actually, by the way, never met anybody still from like online. So I'm wondering who's the first going to be, but I'm down. I'm down to go. I need to know the dates because I don't know them.
July 24th to the 25th. You got 13 days, buddy.
Oh, it's 2 days. Yeah, I can make it happen. But Market Cipher, hello. I could have a bucket hat as well. This could be amazing marketing.
No, it's only for me. Sorry.
I don't wear bucket hats, but I would wear one if they gave it to me. But they don't give it to me. They don't like me.
Nah. Okay. Alex on crypto sent a super chat. It said, love the two of my favorite people in this space. God bless. Bless you, Alex. You soon to be Papa. I'm so excited for you.
Yeah, Alex is good people.
Yeah, Alex is great people, man.
We like Alex.
Do you want to look at
Ethereum?
Alex in
golfing, but yeah, let's take a look at ETH.
Yeah, do that. Share your screen.
Am I still sharing on ETH?
No, you're not sharing right now.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. Oh, I had the wrong screen up the whole time. Wow. Okay.
I'm dead.
Yeah, like I didn't even see you the whole time. I was watching the YouTube stream. Okay, can you see moi?
Yeah.
All right, so you want me to do my analysis here, or
yeah, tell me what's going on with ETH. Tell me where we're going. I know you have a crystal ball, so you could tell us everything.
Here's what I'm going to tell you with Ethereum, okay? Because Bitcoin is doing what I'm going to say it's going to do because it does that. But I'll tell you this, Ethereum, for anybody that, I mean, your people are like more investors, right?
We have a mix of everybody in this chat.
Okay. All right. Well, I don't discriminate. Traders, investors, all crypto people matter. So here's what I'm going to say about Ethereum. Ethereum in general doesn't behave the way that Bitcoin behaves in general. And, I always say this on my channel, Bitcoin and Ethereum work in tandem. And so, for example, what I mean by that is there are instances in where I'm looking for a trade on Bitcoin and I will miss my trade on Bitcoin. By the way, these are all my positions. That hit TP1, we hit it. This trade hit perfectly, and then now we're short. So
The
we long,
TPs, they hit.
yeah. This TP was hit. This TP1 was hit. Still in this trade, but TP1 was hit. Then yesterday we had this long. This fully closed. We literally fully closed it perfectly here. Look, I'm gonna hold the shift button so we're not lying. Fully, wait, did I just mess it up? Yeah, okay. Fully closed right at the high and then shorted right here. So anyways, yeah, like we're on it. We're on it. But anyways, Ethereum in general will like Bitcoin and Ethereum work in tandem. And so sometimes I will be looking for a position on Bitcoin and I won't really get the confirmation that I want, but then I'll get the confirmation that I want on ETH and then I'll take my trade on Bitcoin or vice versa, even before I see what I want to see on that asset because they work in tandem. Bitcoin, it is very rare that Bitcoin will dump and Ethereum will pump. Very, very rare. It happens. It's happened before, but it's very rare. So the reason I'm even bringing that to your attention
Love to
and
two of
everyone
my
else's
fav
attention, this
people
was a
in the
position as
space.
well,
God
but
bless.
not important. Let's hide that. Let's hide this. It's not relevant anymore. The reason I'm bringing it to your attention is because
no F auto tune. Would you auto tune cash?
we were actually
Lorber,
pretty confident in the
Houston.
shorts that we had on
What happened
Bitcoin
to your Nick
because both
voices?
Bitcoin and
Auto
Ethereum
C hash.
came up to a significant level at the same time. And that will actually happen pretty frequently. Bitcoin and Ethereum will go up to its key zone that I'm watching for, and they will likely, like I said, they work in tandem. So when one gives you the confirmation, the other one will give you the confirmation for the most part. Or alternatively, excuse me, when one breaks, the other one will also likely break. So I'm really trading them side by side. Like I very rarely enter just Bitcoin or just Ethereum without like knowing that. But Ethereum does this thing where it doesn't actually follow the technicals as well as Bitcoin does. And Bitcoin, again, this is my opinion, right now doesn't look strong. I don't think it looks strong. I think we're coming lower. Let me hide all this stuff here real quick so it's just clean. Okay, I think we front ran a level. I think we have this position, right? And because Ethereum also doesn't look the best right now, and Ethereum, so what I mean by it doesn't really follow its technicals, typically what will happen is whenever you have a dump like this, you will come up, you'll do this, and then you'll come and take the low again, right? Most of the time, Ethereum doesn't do that. Ethereum just does its own thing. Like, I don't know, it doesn't follow, like it follows Bitcoin, but it doesn't actually follow the structure that we would want to see on Bitcoin. The reason I'm bringing it up is because Ethereum's structure right now doesn't look good, but Bitcoin's also doesn't look good. So Ethereum's not looking good is important, but it's more important because Bitcoin's doesn't look good either. If this wick, sorry, that might have been confusing. If we had a wick here that took out this low, I would be the biggest bull on Bitcoin ever. But we didn't get that. And Ethereum never gave us that wick either, but Ethereum doesn't usually give us that wick. That might be a little bit complicated for people that, don't really understand TA or whatever. But again, don't listen to me because I'm 5'2" 3/4" and I have no idea how to trade. But long story short, Ethereum hit a key level of resistance. The same time, Bitcoin hit a key level of resistance, and Bitcoin is giving us that confirmation. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a rip down to at least this low. I wouldn't be surprised if it happens today, and Ethereum is going to follow Bitcoin for the most part. So Ethereum is looking relatively weak, and that doesn't mean that it's going to dump right now, right? Like it can continue higher before it decides to roll over. But I think it's going to roll over. I think it doesn't look strong. I think Bitcoin doesn't look strong, and they work in tandem. And so if Bitcoin gives you this confirmation, like we had up here with our swing failure pattern, which if you're just tuning in now, I mentioned earlier, this is just a liquidity grab, right? All this does, and this happens all the time in the market, is this is a level to stop the shorts, right? Like people were shorting here. They take this high just so that they stop out everybody that was short there to then hit the price lower, right? How many times were we all in a position where it hits your stop loss and then it goes in the direction that you thought anyways? This is why. This is what happens. And so while Bitcoin is giving you that confirmation, Ethereum, though it went higher and isn't giving you the exact same confirmation, like I said, they work in tandem. So if Bitcoin rolls over, Ethereum is going to roll over too. And yeah, I mean, I think we could see a lower Ethereum, and I don't even think it's going to be that unhealthy to see a lower Ethereum. Like Ethereum had a
Oh.
crazy move a couple weeks ago, you know, a month ago, and that's great. But I think we could come not crazy much lower. We'll have to wait and see. But I think Ethereum and Bitcoin work in tandem. Bitcoin is looking relatively weak to me, but you know, we'll see.
Someone's my friend Ron from my old hood. He's asking to look at ETH versus Bitcoin.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, do it, Gio. Do it for the fam.
Let's do it.
Also,
So
while you're doing that, shout out to Cray Cray in the chat for his $4.99. He said, "No effing auto tune. Would you auto tune Cash, Elton, Lop, or Houston? What happened to unique voices? Auto poop.
no auto tune. Okay, done. Your ears, your funeral.
Why you got to be
So
more confident, Gio? Okay.
I'm listen, there's like a fine line between like I have this kind of, how do I say it? Like bland, dry sarcasm. Believe me, confidence is not my problem. Like I don't have
It's not my problem. I love that.
no, like
okay.
I don't have a problem with confidence is what I mean. Like I definitely don't. Okay.
Do your ETH BTC. Let's get it.
All right, let's talk ETH BTC. So right now, ETH BTC is looking relatively bullish. You know, we had high time frame structure flip bullishly, right? And so, you know, the expectation is for this to continue higher, right? So I think ETH is gonna have its time in the sun. But remember what we talked about with dominance. Remember what we talked about with Bitcoin. If dominance rises while Bitcoin dumps, like dominance, in my opinion, I think dominance is going to rise. Okay. So whether dominance rises while Bitcoin is on its way to all-time high, then alts are going to be fine. ETH is something we need to very much so be paying attention to. If you are an investor, if you are a trader, I'm keeping my eye on ETH BTC. I'm keeping my eye on ETH because for the traders, like I said, Bitcoin and ETH work in tandem. And if I'm ever going to long Ethereum, and you could usually long Bitcoin at the same time. If ETH BTC is strong, I'm going to long Ethereum over longing Bitcoin. So we need to understand that. However, if dominance rises while Bitcoin dumps, ETH is going to bleed, right? But the question is, which will bleed more? I think ETH BTC is bullish right now. I do think that it can do this. It can come down a little bit lower before it comes back up. I do think this is possible for ETH BTC. And remember, this is very contingent on what happens with Bitcoin and what happens with dominance. So if dominance rises while Bitcoin dumps, then your alts are going to bleed. And that would allow for this case to happen. ETH will bleed against Bitcoin. And then whenever Bitcoin finds its bottom, ETH BTC will likely find its bottom, maybe down here, maybe this guy, right? Maybe here. ETH BTC will find its bottom. And then at that point, when the market decides to turn, that's when you can go ham on ETH. That's my opinion.
Ooh.
But it kind of depends on which way.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought you had a crystal ball, so I'm kind of disappointed about that. But like, I'll just throw that out there.
Well, I can't be that cocky. Come on now.
You're saying that Bitcoin's not going to 10K and you're confident about it right now? Okay, got it.
Oh, I mean, I think if Bitcoin went to 10K, I don't like people think that I want it to go down. It's not that I want it to go down. I just like chaos. I don't know. Like I just
You
think
like the
that
chaos. You freaking good with this chat then.
I just think I'll tell you why. Because at 38K, when we were at 38K, I was bearish. Okay. And I want to make this very clear. I have not been bearish since 38K. I was bearish at 38K. And when Bitcoin decided to absolutely rip it and ignore every divergence in the book and just, you know, do what it did, people kind of hounded me for it. Like I got a lot of slander. So now I'm
slander.
Yeah. Like, so now I'm on the other side of it where I'm like, okay, well, how's your inflows going for you, bro? Like, how's that working?
How's your inflows, bro? That's so funny.
Yeah, that's why. Like, I'm petty. I'm a petty person.
I could see that. I could see that. Do you know like that that viral video like with that guy that dressed up in a cheerleader outfit? He's like, I'm petty. Yeah, I'm petty. Doom P-E to the T-T-Y. Have you ever seen that?
I haven't, but
can you Google it after this? Hold on. I'm actually gonna probably find it on YouTube for you right now, and I'm gonna DM it to you. See, again,
I think
another
you should
DM
just
from
sing
me.
it. I think you should just sing
I
it
don't.
again.
Hold on, petty
I'm
song.
petty. And I think you should do your disco moves too while you sing it.
No. You need to see this first. You gotta watch it first, and then maybe the the next one we do a petty duet.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna send it to you on Discord after this. But also shout out to Douglas that came in the chat, sent a super chat. One, he said I'm bullish on Zype, and then the second one he said I'm long in the sweet tooth. Me too, man. Me too. I'm also bullish on Manny Petties. So which we talked about yesterday in Spaces, and we're gonna probably continue to talk about some feet things. I'm trying not to talk about feet too much in Spaces, but like it keeps getting brought up. And so it will be talked about to a degree today at 2 p.m. Eastern. Doug will also be on that space with me. I know Gio is going to be there in the audience, like, you know, talking gaming and stuff. Like, totally.
Wait, why are you talking about feet?
It's kind of complicated. There's this guy Jerry that is in our gaming spaces, and he's been talking about like the arches on his feet. And I told him that I have flat feet, so my arches aren't that good, and that like my knees can hurt. And he was saying that his knees hurt sometimes, but I said that's only because he's like really tall. So yeah,
We don't like tall people. We like 5'2" people.
a short king.
Anybody that's over 5'2 3/4, even by 1 centimeter, is too tall.
Wow. I mean, I think I'm 5'2". I thought I was 5'1", but I think I'm 5'2". So what if I'm like right like 0.8, not like 3/4, like not 0.75. Like what if I'm 0.8?
Bro, you got to figure it out because that's a marketing plan. How do you think like word gets around, you know? Oh, you guys know that trader that's a wannabe singing 5'2 3/4, you know? That's marketing. You got to get that in your disclaimer.
Wow, this is something new. I can't believe this. I'm sorry guys, I did not disclose to you guys. This
Look,
is ridiculous. And Doug sent to 4.99. He said for my arches with 3 hearts. Thank you. Thank you. This is going towards my mani petty. Thank you.
listen, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. You teach me how to do the memberships, and there you go. I got you a disclaimer.
Wow. Wow. Guys, you see the relationship here? Like this is
See
a two-way street.
Win-win.
It's a two-way street, I gotta say.
Market
Wow.
Cipher team right there.
Wow, I'm honored. I'm honored. No way. But listen, guys, I do have a delivery that's set to come in 15 minutes. So I do got to take care of that. And also, I will be on Spaces at 2 p.m. So please make sure you're there. Make sure you guys are also following Gio if you guys want to learn how to short the market at any point in time. He will tell you that. So make sure you guys are following him. Link is in the live chat. Thank you, Gio, for joining me today. Did you enjoy your experience?
Are you kicking me off your stream?
No, I'm gonna end the stream with you on it. Did you want me to kick you off? I could boot you right now.
No, I'm just joking. Yeah, no, I appreciate you having me on. Thank you for having me on. It's always good to talk to you. And to this sir in the chat, I know that my hair is not part of the height. Okay, I know.
It's not part of the height. I mean,
know.
you don't have that much volume going on there to add that much height.
I know my hair's. I was gonna shave my head, to be honest. I kind of want to.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
No?
I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no because you can't have like the bald head and the bald beard. I'm telling you, it's not like
no.
No.
This is my game plan because I mean, people roast me all the time. Like your boy's gonna need a hair transplant, maybe next year. But I'm somewhere between that and
it's part of getting old, Gio.
I'm somewhere between that and just shaving my head and just getting super jacked. Because you can be bald, but you have to be jacked.
You have to be jacked. I like the guy math that was done there.
No, that's exactly how it is. You can be bald. You have to be jacked also.
If guys, do you agree with that in the chat? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or a 2 and a no emoji. Thank you guys so much. Doug said this has gone sideways, just like Bitcoin price action, but it will go onwards and upwards. Again, see me at 2 p.m. Eastern, guys. It's going to be such a great day. We're getting after it on all freaking angles right now. So please, again, make sure you guys set your reminder for Spaces. It would just warm my heart to like the top degree. Like it would be piping hot like McDonald's coffee before they got sued. So guys, make sure if you haven't, again, smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. Have an amazing day. Follow Gio. Thank you again, Gio. Thank you to Market Cipher Love in the chat. Thank you to everybody everywhere. I appreciate you guys so much. Much love. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Stay zesty. A peace. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. And go.